Saudi ko na ako, baka may makalimutan pa ako eh. So, first of all, I would like to start my speech by thanking you all sa chapter natin, from founders to residents. Those who attended despite their busy schedule because they know the value ng ating 25th silver anniversary. Our visitors, Taogama friends, visiting chapters na nag-effort talaga and they respected yung anib natin. So, nag-dress up talaga sila. Our brands abroad and their generous pledges. And lastly, my wife, who's been very supportive from the very start. And behind me always. Start from the previous event, from fun shoot, until our 25th anniversary. Thank you also for baking and sponsoring our beautiful cake here behind me. And words are not enough to thank you. I love you. Okay, ako nga po pala si Ryan Dumanaw, former Special Project, former MI, former GT, and former, sorry. Hindi na pala.
Former Playboy.
For Best Chapter and proud recipient of the Best Chapter Award during my term as Grand Triskelion. In fact, it was back-to-back. Nakalimutan ni Brad Dennis kanina. First term ng Best Chapter is his term, then next term is mine. And I'm currently serving as MDG and one of the officers of our Triskelion Alumni Organization. Our chapter has rich history pagdating sa kagaguhan. Our chapter is also champion pagdating sa inuman. Oh, kahit saan kami pumunta dati, tumba lahat eh. Diba? Number 1 din yung chapter namin sa Asaran. Kaya maraming nabipigon eh. During our term, nung nag-aaral pa kami, napakasaya. Dito mo makikita yung status doesn't matter. Whether kung mayaman ka or sakto ka lang. Sabay-sabay kami mag-lunch. Kung sino yung may mga malalaking baon, sila yung bibili ng ulam. The others, ano lang eh, kanin na lang, then share na tayo lahat, sabaw lang, masaya na kami.